Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from IndexNow submissions and confirm successful indexing detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from IndexNow submissions, first, log into your IndexNow account. Navigate to your dashboard where you can see your submitted URLs. Identify the specific URL you wish to withdraw. Click on the checkbox next to that URL to select it. Look for the option labeled Withdraw or Remove Submission. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. A confirmation message may appear asking if you are sure you want to withdraw. Confirm your action by clicking Yes or Confirm. Wait for the system to process your withdrawal request. Once completed, you should receive a success message. To confirm successful indexing, go back to your dashboard. Check the status of the URLs you submitted previously. Look for indicators such as indexed or pending. For URLs marked as pending, it may take additional time for indexing to complete. Use search engines to manually verify if your content appears. Input the URL into the search bar and see if it shows in the search results. For greater accuracy, try searching with specific keywords related to your content. Keep monitoring your dashboard periodically for updates on the indexing status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the IndexNow support resources for further assistance. Regularly withdrawing outdated submissions can help maintain an efficient indexing process. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your IndexNow submissions and ensure successful indexing of your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.